Andito po tayo ngayon sa Camp John Hay and dito sa harap ng Nike Factory Store pop-up outlet. At grabe, they are offering limited offer up to 80% off. Isa pa, meron din silang promo today na buy two, get two free. May mga 40% off, may mga 65% off. Grabe, sobrang sulit na kapag bibili kayo dito sa kanilang outlet dahil ang promo nila na to runs from October 17 up to 23, pero they are extending this promo until October 31. So tara, samahan nyo ako. And sadly ngayon lang ako napadpad dito at meron pala sila mga offers na up to 70% off. Can't you imagine? 70% off, and that's a big deal. They have buy two get two free on all items. Can't you imagine? On all items. Pero ang catch dito is that kapag bibili kayo ng let's say for example apat na shoes, tapos yung dalawang pinaka mahal na price, yun yung babayaran nyo on a regular price. So it's still, kung magandang makukuha ninyong price, let's say for example 4,000 na apat, edi you will pay 8,000 in total, and then you will take home 4 pairs of shoes. Ang laki na nang save mo dun, guys. So ayun, buy 2 get 2, lahat ng mga items na nandito, grabe, all sale. Literal na all sale, guys. 40% off. Ayan.
Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you rock? Are you ready? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to roll?
Halos lahat ng mga items nila, or probably lahat ng mga items nila ngayon ay super sale. So tiyagaan na lang ang magpili. Tiyagaan na lang talagang pagpili ng mga items ninyo. Pero sobrang hirap na rin pumili, lalo't daming mga options. Ultimo mga caps, ayan, original price is 1,200, pero now it's 1,095. That's 50% off. Grabe, ang daming mga options. And the good thing about this is that these are legit Nike products. Hindi siya class A, hindi siya class B. Literal na all authentic. May mga sale sila dito. Sobrang gaganda, Diyos me. So yun guys, ito na yung mga nakuha namin. 4 items in total. So ito yung mga choices ko. Dalawang shoes for me. For him, dalawa din ito. 4,095, yun yung discounted price. Meanwhile, itong white is 2,595. That's the discounted price from its original price na 4,095. Ito yung sa kanya, ito yung running shoes niya, ang ganda, sobrang slick, sobrang aesthetic niya. Original price nito is 5,195, but you will get it in a discounted price of 15%, and that's 4,495. And last but not the least, yung fourth na shoes natin is at a discounted price of 3,495 pesos. That's the 30% off. But the original price is 4,995. Kung susumain natin, we will follow yung pinakamahal na 2 shoes. 5,195, 5,195. So 5,195 times 2. Yun na yun. Yun na yung price for this 4 pairs of shoes. So let's go check it out, guys. Nabibinas na kita pinilim. So ito dapat yung babayaran namin. 14,680 pesos. Yun yung original prices niya. Ngayon, ito na yung babayaran natin dahil buy 2, get 2. So we will be checking out at 10,390 pesos. Diba? Sulit na siya. Knowing it's all branded. Oh gosh. Thank you. Hey, let's go. Thank you po. Thank you.
Tupat.
Dapat si Buwak dong.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you.
boss.
Thank you, sir.
Boss, thank you, boss.
Hey! Okay guys, so that's our shopping haul dito sa Nike Factory Store pop-up outlet. Grabe, sobrang laki ng discount namin. Sobrang laki ng na-save namin. And at the same time, 4 pairs ang nabili namin for the price of 2. Sobrang discounted na yun guys. So kung naghahanap kayo ng mga branded shoes for this upcoming holiday season, ngayong Christmas, pang gifts and all that, punta na kayo dito sa Camp John Hay Nike Factory Store pop-up outlet. Ang promo nilang ito, up to 70% off. Tapos may buy 2 take 2 pa sila for all of their items. Their promo is running until October 31 of this year 2025. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please follow me for more. Bye!